Hello, I'm Dr. Kate from HypnoTC, the Hypnotherapy Training Company. And the video that you're about to watch is a demonstration of the breathing eye roll induction. And this is quite an interesting induction. It's a rapid induction. And it's the sort of induction that could be done within the therapy process. You could do it as part of even street hypnosis if you wanted to, even if you just wanted to do a quick session with friends or family. And it incorporates good deep breathing together with rolling the eyes all the way up and then down. So you're creating this state of tension and relaxation, and you're also having this relaxation enhanced by the deep breathing. So whenever you're ready, carry on watching. Thank you so much for volunteering for this brief hypnosis activity. Before we start, I'd like to check, are your eyes free of any discomfort?
Yes.
Amazing. And you're happy to go into hypnosis?
Yeah. Okay.
Well, that would be even better. Thank you. So during this activity, all I'm going to ask you to do is to follow my suggestions to the best of your ability. There's no need to make anything happen. Just go with what you feel does happen. Thank you. So what I'd like you to do is, keeping your head level, I'd like you to look straight ahead. That's right. Is that comfortable? Amazing. Now, what I'd like you to do now is I'd like you to take a nice deep breath all the way in, and as you do that, roll your eyes all the way up as though you're looking through the top of your head. And now as you breathe out, allow your eyes to roll all the way down as your body relaxes into hypnosis. Good. And now I'd like you to breathe all the way in and allow your eyes to roll all the way up again. Good. And now breathe out, allow those eyes to roll all the way down as your mind relaxes into hypnosis. That's right. And now, just for one more time, breathe all the way in, allowing those eyes to roll all the way up. And as you breathe out, those eyes roll down as you relax completely into hypnosis now. Going deeper with every beat of your heart, with every breath, with every thought, every feeling, and every sensation. I hope you found this demonstration useful. It's a really good one to use in the therapy environment, and also if you're doing any street hypnosis or perhaps working with friends or family. It can be used by experienced therapists or by novices. It's simple, effective, and it is a rapid induction, so it saves you time and allows you to get on with whatever work you're planning to do. We have lots of other videos on our HypnoTC YouTube channel, so feel free to watch all of those. But for now, thank you for watching.